Today in this video we will learn English action verbs. I eat. I ate. I will eat. I eat. I ate. I will eat. I run. I ran. I will run. I run. I ran. I will run. I walk. I walked. I will walk. I walk. I walked. I will walk. I write. I wrote. I will write. I write. I wrote. I will write. I dance. I danced. I will dance. I dance. I danced. I will dance. I sing. I sang. I will sing. I sing. I sang. I will sing. I exercise. I exercised. I will exercise. I exercise. I exercised. I will exercise. I study. I studied. I will study. I study. I studied. I will study. I work. I worked. I will work. I work. I worked. I will work. I read. I read. I will read. I read. I read. I will read. I play. I played. I will play. I play. I played. I will play. I laugh. I laughed. I will laugh. I laugh. I laughed. I will laugh. I talk. I talked. I will talk. I talk. I talked. I will talk. I cry. I cried. I will cry. I cry. I cried. I will cry. I smile. I smiled. I will smile. I smile. I smiled. I will smile. I think. I thought. I will think. I think. I thought. I will think. I swim. I swam. I will swim. I swim. I swam. I will swim. I draw. I drew. I will draw. I draw. I drew. I will draw.